Stickers!
We love stickers.
It's our favorite way of self-expression.
And now making stickers could be as easy as using our Siser Juliet.
This is our ultimate guide to printing and cutting with Siser's Romeo and Juliet.
Our guide could be applied to any print and cut projects.
Let's begin!
Let's start with importing the image of your choice. The Leonardo Design Studio, or LDS for short, allows you to import JPEGs, TIFF, and PNG for image files. Simply drag and drop your image onto the artboard.
At this point, the LDS will automatically recognize that you're trying to do a print and cut job. So go on and click Next.
On this page, the LDS will try to remove the background so that it can do an alter trace of the image to do the print and cut. There are several options available in LDS which you can use to achieve the precise tracing. But for this video, we'll just use the default mask tolerance setting to move ahead. So click Next to move on to the next page.
This is the Traced Contours page. You should now see the traced contour lines in blue that has been automatically done by LDS. If this is okay, then go ahead and click on Next.
This is the Cutting Contours page, where you can decide if you want to leave it as it is, increase the contour offset so that there's a white border around your image, or do an inset so that the cutting contours are cutting to the image. Once this is done, go ahead and click Finish.
At this point, you will notice these marks on the four corners of your image. These are the calibration marks, which will be printed out together with your sticker image and used by the Romeo and Juliets to read and know where your sticker image will be cut. You can adjust the size of your stickers and even copy-paste to make more of it in one sheet.
You can even reduce the spacing of the calibration marks so that you have more space to print on the sticker sheet, or simply press the page marks to maximize using the entire sheet. Once you have adjusted it to your liking, click on Send Design and you'll be able to see this page with the Send Artwork options.
There is usually not much to change here, so click on Next. And now you've come to the final part of the Leonardo.
Now your sticker print is separated to a print and cut layer. After loading in your sticker paper, check and confirm if you have selected the correct printer and paper size for printing out your stickers. Then go ahead and print it out. Now with the sticker sheet printed out, all that's left is cutting it. Since we have maximized the print on the entire sheet, there is not enough room left for the pinch rollers to grab onto. So we'll be using the cutting mat to paste our stickers. Some very important tips for using the cutting mat. You'll want to paste the sheet aligned with the lines on the mat, with the calibration arrows aligned along the bottom. Release the pinch rollers. Next, we would like to avoid the pinch rollers from going over our prints. So go ahead and push them all to the sides if you're using a Juliet. Now these are the positions if you're using a Romeo. Slide in the cutting mat and make sure it is not slanted by lining it up with any of these parts of the machine. Clamp on the pinch rollers when you are ready. Now use the arrow keys to position your cutting blade to the corner of this calibration mark. That's the mark with the arrow next to it. You don't have to be very precise as the Romeo and Juliets have a camera to look for them. Once that's done, you'll want to ensure that you have the correct cutting speed and force to cut the sticker material that you are using. Back on the LDS, our settings are based on the Siser standard blade and the use cutter settings box unchecked so we can adjust the speed and force values. For the sticker sheet that we are using, it's speed 10 and force 10. Now click Send to Cutter. It will prompt you to ensure that you have the right settings in your cutter. So if you are ready, go ahead and click OK and watch the fun begin. And there you have it, customizable fun stickers that you have made using our Siser machines. You can customize your belongings or give some to your friends. This is the entire process for our print and cut jobs with consideration to our new users with their Siser machines. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if there are any suggestions or questions that you have, please let us know.